Water looks nice and deep right here. Holy smokes, I got a fish! Check it out! Woo! See ya, brother! Hey, how's it going, folks? Welcome back to another episode of Cali Cruising. My name is Jared, and we do everything outdoors. Today we are actually going fishing, so this is something different. I've been into fishing for a while, but I'm not very good at it, so my buddy and I were going up to Kern, and we're gonna see what we can find. So the river's been stocked with trout. It should be pretty lit, so you guys stay tuned. What are we doing today?
We're gonna catch some fish.
Hell yeah, finally.
For the first time in what, 10 years?
The long ass time, I'll tell you that much.
Yep.
All right, sick. So we'll hit the road here and we'll be on our way.
Yep.
Check out the water. Oh, here it is. Yeah, this looks pretty shallow right here. All right, spot number 2 here. I think they stock right below the dam, honestly. There's, they stock every single section at some point in time. Section 5 the most. Water looks nice and deep right here. Crazy green rocks right here, insane. Alright, so this spot looks pretty deep right here. I think it might be worth attempting. I mean, look, you got some nice shade back there. If you could get a line way back in there, there might be some fish over in that pocket. I mean, it's definitely deep enough where the fish could be somewhere hiding behind a rock, you know. Here at the river, we just had some nice pizza. It was fire. We're not having any luck as far as fishing is going. We were over by the park with all these freaking teenagers and 100-year-old people walking around asking us, catch anything? And no, we didn't. So I'm gonna go ahead and get some salmon eggs on my bait here, and we're hoping that we can catch this evening bite. So you guys stay tuned. Okay, go ahead and get some eggs here. You and me both, brother man. You and me both. You gonna go back to the salmon eggs? Me too. Let's get this cast out here.
A few moments later.
Let's see if my eggs even stayed on. One of them did. Now we're talking. Like, my bait isn't moving, you know, it's not dragging on the bottom. It's Carolina rigged.
That's the other reason I don't want too much weight.
No, like the current was so bad, you know, last time. Yeah, totally.
20 minutes later.
Holy smokes, I got a fish! Check it out! Oh my gosh, just a little guy. Holy smokes. Holy shit. I caught a fish. It's just a little guy. I think I'm gonna let him go.
Congratulations!
Thank you.
You caught it right in time. We were hoping you guys would catch one soon. And now we're
Appreciate that. Yeah, we just got here too. It's so fun. Woo! See ya, brother. Take care. Have a good one. Nice knowing ya. See ya in a little. Okay, so that's my trick. I got 2 and 2 on the treble hooks. 2 salmon eggs and 2 salmon eggs. Perfect.
There we go.
Patience is key. You got to get here early. You got to
Plan it out better.
plan it out better, execute good areas. If you're in shallow water, fly fishing, like you said, is going to be clutch. If we're going for these stock trouts, we just have to be patient. Let the bait do its job.
Meanwhile.
Oh yeah. Yup. A bigger one too.
Yeah, dude.
Holy smokes.
You just pulled it.
Oh, he got off. Dang it.
The drag was set too low.
You think so? That's why I tried to increase it. Oh, dude, I had a big one. I had a big guy. Oh my, you've heard it, right?
Yeah.
That was crazy. Yeah, I would check it out because the wind is kind of blowing it all over. I'd rather check mine every 10 minutes or so than miss an opportunity.
Yeah. I've got our little spot here.
Yeah, dude, I'm really impressed with this spot.
It looks like
Oh shit.
really.
Yep. Got something. Maybe it's just the weight. Yeah, probably just the... I just got some mud and stuff. Yep. Ew, what is... Oh, look, I did snag something. Oh, it's just a leaf.
Yeah. Yeah.
It looked like a fish leaf for a sec. Look at that, folks. Yeah. The salmon eggs do work. What can I say? My second fish. Now we got to get Maddie here one.
Yeah.
Woo! You
What's
think
up?
that's a keeper?
I think so.
Okay. Oh yeah, caught a fish. Now I'm waiting for another one. Holy smokes, there's an otter. I hope he doesn't try to get my fishing stuff. Dude, that's an otter right there. That's so crazy. I wish I had a better zoom lens. My other camera could zoom in a little better. Yeah. Oh, he just went under. All right, we're here, 6 o'clock. Sun is set, and we're just gonna try to see if we can get this last minute bite. I mean, even though the sun is down, we have a little bit of light. So really hoping that Matt can score a fish. Maybe I can get another one and, you know, have some extra protein. So yeah, gotta stay tuned. Hey guys, just made it home from the fishing trip. I wasn't able to cook the fish tonight because it got a little late, but I will be cooking it tomorrow. So I'm gonna actually be putting it on the smoker and seasoning it with some nice Old Bay and some onion and butter. So it should turn out pretty good. So you gotta stay tuned for that, and I will see you there.
The next day.
Trigger. Set to 225. There's the trout. Got some nice Old Bay, garlic, some onion. It should be fuego. Alright guys, that's gonna wrap it up for today's video. Had a really nice time today. I went up to Kern River and caught a couple fish. Definitely ends my drought. I hadn't gotten a fish since like 2018 or so, and that's definitely almost 3 years, so needed to check that off my list, and that way I can kind of get some momentum and have some more trips that I have planned out, so should be pretty fun, so you gotta stay tuned. Let me know down below if you enjoy this type of content, and please like and subscribe as well, and I will see you in the next one. Until then, my name is Jared, and this is Cali Cruisin'.